You don't need every knob. You need the right arrival. Here are the 7 options in ProcessModel and when to use each. Arrivals are the method for introducing entities into the model. When you connect an entity to an activity, an arrival is automatically created. 7 arrival types to meet the needs of every system. Arrivals can continuously feed systems, or produce patterns, or introduce entities according to a schedule. They can even create events to control system behavior or trigger the collection of unique statistics. Ordered arrival. When inventory dips below a trigger, the system automatically orders a fixed quantity. The replenishment lands after a set lead time. Use this for reorder point workflows, such as pharmacy stock, MRO bins, or line-side Kanbans. Continuous arrival, a constant feed. As soon as a step has capacity, another entity is available. No schedules, no batches. Perfect when upstream supply is guaranteed. Feeders, fasteners, empty cartons, raw flow to reactors. Periodic arrival. Entities arrive at repeating intervals, hourly, daily, per shift. Also, use it to preload inventory at time 0 or to trigger a one-time event on a specific day. If the repeat every field is set to 0, the event will occur only once. To set a cadence, change the repeat every field to the time between arrivals. Daily pattern, hour-by-hour volumes across each day with randomness inside each time window. Each weekday can differ from weekends. It's a first-cut approximation, good for shaping demand without data. Later, refine with real histories. Scheduled arrival, exact counts at exact times. Appointments, trucks, batch releases. If multiple items share the same timestamp, they're processed in the order listed. Use when timing is known and fixed. Those were the built-ins. Now, 2 model objects that turn raw histories into working arrivals. Fast. First, what's a model object? A model object is a plug-in section of a model built to perform a task. The object may utilize one or more process model elements along with Excel files to complete the task. A simple model object is a gate that holds entities until a specific condition is met. More complex model objects are the next 2, used to handle particular arrival types. Find model objects in the Model Object menu. To learn more about a model object, select it and see the description section of the dialog. Review the help link, or open the model object and see how it functions. Import scheduled arrivals model object. When you have thousands of arrivals with attributes, paste data from your systems. Import massive tables. Attributes can drive routing, processing times, and resource choice. It's the scalable way to rebuild real schedules in seconds. How is this used? Peace Health created a model of the surgical department by importing past schedules, then testing system performance and suite utilization. The same schedules were tested with system changes to define improvements. Daimler Truck imported future truck schedules to balance workload and streamline production. Daily pattern arrivals model object. Feed it historical arrivals in Excel, and it creates detailed patterns. It analyzes data, removes outliers, calculates day-of-week volumes, generates hourly distributions, and imports directly into ProcessModel. You get a realistic pattern in minutes without manual number crunching. Pick the simplest that fits: trigger, cadence, daily shape, exact time, or data-driven at scale. Start with the lightest arrival that matches reality. Simulate. Then upgrade to the model objects when you've got data to unlock precision. Thanks for watching this training video on arrivals. If you have any questions, start by contacting support@ProcessModel.com.